Baby.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode with Kicking It with Kenny. On today, we are going to be doing just a quick little mukbang with you guys.
Okay.
Alright, let's do a quick thumbnail. So, alright, so I have lemon pepper wings and some fries with lemon pepper and plain seasoned salt.
Yeah.
Season on it. Rick, what do you have?
I have a chicken Philly, mushrooms. You know, I got the works, and some French fries, and just a little side of teriyaki wings.
Nice.
All flat.
Guys, I want to first start off by saying I apologize for these past 2 weeks not being so consistent with a video on a Tuesday and a Friday. But my sinuses have been draining tremendously, so I really don't even I'm still a little clogged in my right ear, but I just don't want to give you guys a half-done video. I really give you guys more of me than less of me, you know?
Period.
And on that note, let's start eating.
This is like really seasoned. They did really good on this chicken.
You did. As a heads up, y'all, there might be some smacking and moaning involved.
Or a little orgasm, you know. Why are y'all flags?
I'm okay with any piece of chicken. I just want to eat it.
So if it's like alive, you still eat it? Like, okay.
Yeah. I kill it first.
Well, you are Calabasas, though. How they live out there?
No play.
Like, everything is so fresh. Like,
Yeah. And on top of that, for a fact, this is my first meal of the day.
okay. Now that I'm shocked, cause like,
And it's early. Well, no, it's getting kind of late. I'm really hungry. Oh my god.
I'm glad there was some lemon pepper on these wings, cause they definitely do. Baby.
That was strong. Oh my god. That's a cherry Coke.
Lemonade is best. Period.
But anywho, I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. Comment down below, let us know what you're doing in this very moment.
Whether it's eating, taking a dog for a walk, playing in the rain, you know. Whatever.
Not playing in the rain.
Now, usually I would get like lemon pepper. Like that looks really buttery. Like
It's really good.
it looks like. Yeah.
Oh, this is Thursday. Who watches How to Get Away with Murder? Because the season finale comes on tonight. I mean, by the time you guys are watching this video, it'll be another day.
Wow.
Yeah, but still, comment below if you watch How to Get Away with Murder. Let's actually start like a fan club. I mean, I know tonight's episode is the finale, but we could binge watch the entire season together. All over again.
I never got into it.
You need to get into it.
I tried, but where my Love and Hip Hop fans?
Love and Hip Hop Atlanta coming back March the 25th.
That trailer was good. You seen it?
No. I just saw the advertisement for it coming back on.
The trailer's out. It's amazing.
They didn't show the trailer yet with us in it, so.
Right, you coming? Mona already know.
Don't play with my money, girl.
She done seen our YouTube video. I got more than enough. Whew.
How many of you guys like lemon pepper wings?
Not many.
Alright, so.
It's teriyaki wings all day, right guys? Comment below which one is your favorite, lemon pepper or teriyaki. And we will be checking those out, so. Drop.
I'm doing a beatbox. Almost done.
I feel bloated.
That's not good. Woo!
That was a monster. Look how wet this is, just dripping wetness.
Yeah, teriyaki dripping all on the table.
Wet.
So what do you guys have planned for this weekend? What's going on? Are we going to the movies? Are we going to dinner?
What do you have planned this weekend? Let's find that out.
Well, you know I work this weekend, but when I get off, because I get off work early this weekend, so I don't know yet. Something like
Something.
what's in the movie theaters right now? What's out to watch?
That new Taraji P. Henson came out movie. That What Men Want or What Men Think or something like that. And she can like remix. Yeah, I want to see that. What else? Oh, Happy Death Day is out. It's not really. I don't know if that's good.
Yeah. It's was basically a repeat of the first one. Like,
And it's gonna be right.
I don't really care. I hope the weather will be great because
Look at that. Almost done, guys.
there's gonna be a lot to do. Oh, it's a lot of lemon pepper.
It looked like it. Oh my god.
There's a lot to do if the weather's great this weekend, though. Go to the park. Well, pools aren't open just yet.
I think not until the end of what, April? Or beginning of April?
Yeah, something like that.
Woo! That's down to the bone.
Literally.
The chicken legs. My last wing.
Is it?
Dun dun dun.
Learn how to pace yourself. You eat too fast.
I'm throwing that. Save it for later.
I'm almost there, y'all.
Don't force yourself.
I'm not forcing myself. I'm still hungry. My first meal of the day.
Because it's sticking out. So.
We're just not. What's the name of this place?
Atlanta's Best Wings.
Oh, baby. Hey, baby.
They did
Hey,
that.
baby.
These are the bones that I have left.
Which you would save and eat for lunch tomorrow.
I don't think so. Put it down. There's a little refill on the napkins.
I'm starting to get full for real now.
I am too. I ate for this one. Yeah, like all flats, they would do it to you.
What is your most favorite part of wing to eat? Is it flat? What is this called? Like drumstick? Or drumstick? Whole wing? Half of a wing?
Oh, one of your coworkers. But yeah, I would go for flats all the way. Like, don't give me no drums, don't give me no wing. I want flats. Okay, I want to just taste nothing but the meat and the seasoning. Period.
It doesn't matter to me.
I mean, you just like to eat.
Like I go to certain places, they be like, "You want white meat, dark meat?" I'm like, "What's the difference?" It's meat from a chicken.
But you know, people just have preferences. Like, you know, everybody don't want no fucking dark meat in their mouth. Burp it all out, ho. Burp it out. And we got ice with us today. We do.
I know. The only thing I don't like though, when these fries start to get a little warm or a little too cold, they just don't taste well at all. But these wings are holding their temperature though. They are holding in temperature. They really are. So guys, I'm also thinking about getting some fillers.
Will you be sleep?
Just because.
For the
No.
procedure?
It's not an implant, it's just injection.
You want to be up for that?
It's the same when you get Botox in your lips, or your forehead, or under your armpits. So you guys out there that sweats excessively, ask your doctor about Botox. Inject it under your elbows. I mean, under your armpits. It stops the excessive sweating.
I need that. I need that. And also, I got my knees done. Really brand new. Ready to like somebody out. For my knees. Went back to Miami. You know, he did a fabulous job.
2 more wings left.
I'm done, guys. I'm sold. I can't eat nothing else. Okay. One more bite. Okay, I'm done. Now I'm done. Wait. And a fry.
There's so much left on this one. Ooh!
We like you.
And then it's dry.
Whew, I'm stuffed.
Y'all, me too.
Atlanta Bears, you get an A+ for me. That was the best. I really needed that.
How many locations they have?
Several. But I don't know, you should see they have one in your area. Cause they're pretty good.
My last wing, I'm trying my hardest.
This style, just put it down.
No! Get away! I'm gonna keep going. No, I'm just joking. I'm really not like full, but I'm like at my end.
So full.
I'm just gonna eat, but I'm gonna force myself.
You gonna throw up, like, you gonna make us. Yeah, this food was so good. Really. Like, really.
Guys, I'm done. There's a few more fries left, but
Right. But
the main piece of the meal was the actual meat and the sandwich, like the Philly steak and the chicken wings.
Yeah.
But absolutely amazing. So I give it an A+.
to the cooks, to the server, cause she did good behind the
She
counter.
did good, the little customer service girl. Oh,
Not a little customer service.
what is she called?
The cashier.
Is that what you call it? The host?
No, she didn't host.
I don't know what you call it in a restaurant.
The cashier. Server.
Receptionist? No.
Server.
But she didn't serve.
She served us our food. Behind the counter.
I don't know. Alright guys, so we are officially done.
In full.
And so full. But we appreciate you guys for sticking it out with us and watching.
Ooh.
That was strong.
Yes.
And watching this, I guess you can call this a American mukbang. We had fries, we had wings, we had
The whole works.
a Philly steak cheese sandwich.
Yeah.
Whatever it's called. So yeah. Thank you for watching this American mukbang. Continue to support us, like, comment, subscribe, share.
Subscribe, press that little red.
Hit the subscribe button at the end of this video. Watch the other videos. Support us on those. Share, comment, like, subscribe.
Leave comments.
Leave comments on all the videos. Like all the videos. Share all the videos. You can still comment down below in this video what you guys would like to see more of. Remember, we do vlogs, we do mukbangs, we do story times, challenges. We do it all. You know, if there's anything else you think that we should be doing, like, let us know.
Exactly. And hit us up on our social media. It will also be in our in the bio.
Absolutely. So follow us on our social media, DM us, let us know that you've been watching the videos, and let's just connect on all social media outlets. Let's just support one another. If there are any Atlanta YouTubers out there that would like to collaborate on a couple of videos, if you have some ideas, reach out to us as well on our Instagram and our Snapchat, or perhaps just comment down below on this video and just let us know what you guys think. But until next time, watch the previous videos, guys, and good night.
Have a great one.
Enjoy your day and your weekend as well.